I've never eaten such delicious fish, now I just want to do it like this. Let's start by cutting 700 grams of salmon like this. Then add salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. And just spread the seasoning around with your hands. This recipe will surprise you. Salmon is a delicious and very nutritious fish. Add olive oil to a frying pan. Place the salmon in the pan and fry for 2 minutes on each side or until golden brown. This recipe will make your mouth water with how delicious it is. Now that they're fried, take them out and place them on a plate. I'd be delighted to know from which city you're watching me. That way I can send you a big hug and thank you for commenting on this recipe. If you want to receive our recipes every day, comment I do. Add a drizzle of olive oil to a frying pan. Add a tablespoon of butter. Half a chopped onion. Sauté until golden brown. 2 crushed garlic cloves. Give it a light mix. I'll add a tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix and then add 200 grams of cream. Mix everything well. Add 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix again until smooth. Add a teaspoon of salt. Give it a light mix. Add coriander and parsley to taste. Mix the ingredients together again. We can now place the salmon fillets in the frying pan. Add 4 slices of lemon on top. I'm using Sicilian lemon. Put the lid on and let it cook on medium to low heat. And our recipe is ready. Look how appetizing, tender and juicy this salmon turned out. I'm off to the comments to reply to everyone who wrote to me from which city they're watching. Share this video with your friends and family. It won't cost you anything, but it will make a huge difference to me. Until the next recipe and bon appetit!